Hello, this is Phoebe from Truckearth. Today I want to show our customer our new warehouse. This is our showroom. And the first part is for the exterior parts for pickup and off-road cars, boba, robot, crossbar, and we also support OEM service and ODM. The second part is for the trunk bed cover. This is our key product in our factory. The first one, three-fold. Quarter-fold, double lock, manual tonneau cover. Traditional one-lock bed cover. The third part is for camping products, such as the roof platform, luggage platform. The fourth part is all for the trunk bed cover, but this is our new kind of production, slide tonneau cover. Three-fold, slide three-fold tonneau cover. This is our new lock manual tonneau cover. This is flat electric tonneau cover, and we also support manual. And the last one is our electric side step. We also support SUV off-road cars and pickup cars. This is our new product canopy. Support different kinds of pickup size.